ne, ne, ne. So when you say this letter, you have to speak almost through your nose because this is the N with the line on top. N with the line on top. It will sound like the regular ne, but it's not. So you have to kind of open up your nose when you sound this one. To sound something like this. Na, na, na. You're almost holding your teeth to pronounce this. Na, na. So this is another combination letter. NW is one letter in the Igbo alphabet. This letter is pronounced when, when, when. This is NY. NY, one letter in the Igbo alphabet. This letter is pronounced nye, nye, nye.